A true philosophy is the systematizing of certain perceptions. This is a very, very, very important statement that Swamiji is making. Not only philosophy, but science too. You observe, you analyze, and then you generalize. Once you have generalized, you can predict the particular. This is what philosophy does. And you will see that every great thinker, and every great scientist, they have one thing in common. They are excellent observers. Excellent observers. That's why if you see that the child in your family is extremely curious, supposing there's a kid in your family and that kid asks you too many questions. Basically, he's observing. And if somebody is very good at observation, it means that someday he will start analyzing why this. And then he will find the key to that generalization. And once he has that key, he can predict the particular.